Welcome back to the Bottom Line Garage. Today we're going to unbox some goodies for the Triton. First of all, we need to fix or address this bed tub. It's going to get scraped, scratched and nicked with everything we throw in the back. So we bought a rubber mat. Let's see if it fits. The internet says this is made to fit the Triton without a tub liner. As mentioned in the previous video, we didn't buy anything with a tub liner in it already. It is very expensive. So we bought this online. Let's see if it fits. First plan. This was supposed to be a smooth video with an unboxing, and I end up fighting with a piece of plastic. Fuck's sake. Right, let's see if this fits. We opted for no shapes or triangles or diamonds. This is supposed to be quick and efficient in cleaning. I don't want to struggle with little shapes and diamonds and I can't get the sand out. That's it. Okay. This is where a step would have been helpful, but no, I'm too old. Let me grab my grandpa step so I can get into the ute. Hold on. Grandpa step loading. Okay, grandpa step fetched. Now I can get into the ute. Here we go. And as promised, fits like a glove. Be sure when you order one online, I'll share the link in the description below. There are different versions. They actually make one to fit the tub if it already has a plastic liner in it. This one fits perfectly and it will do the job. If I recall correctly, at 103 Aussie dollars, not bad at all. Today we are also unboxing some AliExpress goodies. These are mostly for the interior, some dividers for the center console, and a soft touch pad for the elbows. So this would be on top of the center console, and it's obviously made of nice fake leather, but it is soft touch, and I do end up leaning on the center console quite often. This one is a box that fits underneath the center console lid. I don't know, this is maybe to hide some chocolate snackies. This is an insert for the coffee cup holders. I'm not 100% sure it came part of the kit, or not sure if I'm going to use it. We'll see if it fits. This one is the one I was most interested in. It fits underneath where you place your cell phone, and it just adds a couple of layers in the space between the center console. And then the last one, it came with a kit, is an insert that goes into the center console lid. This is just to assist in organizing that compartment in a bit more detail. Let's go inside and fit that and see what it looks like. For the center console, let's add this one. That is actually quite a nice fit, and unfortunately I have my phone in my hand. I can't share what it looks like, but we can certainly utilize that space a bit more effectively. Let's add the two non-slip pads. My camera skills are shocking. Fuck it, I'm gonna have to take this out and redo. Just a bit of advice, it's easier to get those two non-slip pads in there before you actually install it in the center console. They are quite fiddly, and they are certainly doing what they're supposed to do. They stick. So you have to get them in perfectly. They don't move. You have to drop them in and hope they fit perfectly. So let's get that one installed. That does fit very nicely. Contrary to popular belief, I do learn from my mistakes. I've already installed non-slip rubber mats, and this one just installs in the center console as such. Nice, perfect fit, and I take off my hat to all of the other content creators that works with a one-hand camera and have to do everything else with the other hand. Shit, what a mission. Then the last piece that came with the kit is this hidden console box with double-sided tape at the back, and this installs in the top portion of the glove compartment in the center console. Seeing that this is AliExpress, I've got no hope that this will last. I'll stick it on, but I'm 100% sure it will fall off over time, and then we'll do some proper 3M double-sided tape. I need both hands for this, otherwise you won't be able to see what the hell I'm doing. Okay, so I've installed the little box with the door down and with the supplied double-sided tape. At some point in time, I'm sure this will drop out. I've got no idea how to open it. I only have one hand. Let's give this one a go. Ah, fuck me. Press, unpress. Yeah, fucking idiot. There you go. I must admit the storage compartment and the insert does come in very handy to organize the center console. I normally end up with a lot of shit in there and I have to unpack all of it to get to something. This is very handy. And then last but not least is my touchpad pad for the center console. My elbow fits there with some pads on the side. Let me install it. I need both hands again. There's the soft pad installed for my elbow. It's got some side pockets here, but it's right against the seat. I don't think we'll end up using that a lot. And it just attaches around the lid with some stretchy bands. You can easily take it off to clean it. So let's see what the cup holders do, what they look like. There is actually quite a nice fit. I actually don't know what the difference, but we'll see. Maybe it just grips the cups a bit better. Time will tell, and I'll just throw it out if it doesn't work. Because it's fucking expensive. Because it's very expensive. Damn it. The fuck. Ugh. Welcome back to another fucking session. Take 643. Today we are the. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. My camera work sucks. Fuck me. Contrary to what the fuck is this? And then last but not least, damn it,